want the check. Check. Ooh. I want the check. Check. Ooh. I want the check. 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 I want the check. Check. Ooh. I want the check. I want the check.
What's going on, everybody? Quentin Flores here. I am with my boy David, and David flew all the way in from Indianapolis. David, tell the camera a little bit about what you do.
Yeah, absolutely. So we help people make a lot of money driving for dollars, and we give you guys the tools to automate that process so that you can just go bananas with it, and you can drive for dollars without forgetting to follow up. You can have other people drive for you as well, so the leads come straight to you.
Now, for the people that don't know, what is driving for dollars, essentially? Like, what exactly are we doing right now?
Basically, whenever you're looking to make some money in real estate, you want to find a really great deal. And one of the very best type of deals that you can find is a house that looks distressed. So it's got maybe peeling paint or really tall grass, looks like they've got a bunch of trash out there, like nobody's taking care of it. And in that case, you know, that means they've either got to sink a bunch of money into it and fix it up themselves, or they've got to sell it at a discount and to you. And when they do that, then that's a really great deal for both of you, because they can get rid of the property, and then you've got a great deal that you can fix up or turn around and sell to another investor.
What a lot of people don't know is that those leads, they fall through the crack like all of the time. Believe me, I'm like a full-blown, like, I do a lot of blanket marketing. And what blanket marketing is, it's trying to target a niche, right? So we do tax delinquency, vacants, foreclosures. But one list that not a lot of people do because it's so tedious and hard to get is a driving for dollars list, right? So driving for dollars is like literally the bread and butter of leads. And Deal Machine, which is the platform that my boy David had created, is that type of software that you need in your business if you're wanting to take your business from, like, okay, doing a couple of deals a month to doing 5, 10, 15, 20. And I know some guys that kill it using the platform. So he actually just introduced this to me, and he and I connected over the last month or so and made this plan to fly down here, and he's gonna literally show me how he uses the application, and I'll get you guys hooked up with Deal Machine right after this video, okay? But we're literally sitting outside of a house. We just drove down the street from my office, and this is called Inspiration Hill, and Inspiration Hill is a very well-known area. A lot of these houses were popping. These houses used to be worth millions of dollars. So with the way that the market has turned, you'll see a lot of these houses now are abandoned or old, and this is a prime area for anybody who's trying to buy houses in San Antonio.
Look at the grass. It's almost as tall as your car.
Yeah, we're literally here in front of this house right here. So I'm gonna go for it and take the application out. We're gonna go for it and see what we can do. I can still turn it sideways from here, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I'm gonna pull up the app. So right here, we're looking at, what is this? This is like the satellite, and then where this little blue dot is.
That's right.
Is where I am at right here.
Mm-hmm.
So I just have to kind of pinpoint what house this is. So it looks like I'm on this side of the road. Has to be this property right here. So I'm gonna click on this thing. It's gonna locate the address.
Mm-hmm.
I see it right there.
That's it. So press the blue plus button right there.
Boom. Okay. Searching for property.
Oh, absentee owner. Ted L.
It just discovered that it was absentee?
Yeah, that's right. He lives somewhere else.
Okay.
So now you want to add a photo. So the photo is important because if you're going to send direct mail, it's going to actually use that photo on the mailer that you can send right from the app.
All right. So now I just have to click on the little photo button that's at the bottom of the app, which is super cool, and it pulls up the camera. So with the camera, when I take this photo of the house, give me a second. So boom. And then that's it. We got a little, okay, so let me go for it. Scroll down.
Yeah, scroll down a little bit. You're gonna see a preview of your mailer.
Pending approval.
Yeah, click reload previews.
Is this, oh wait, let me check that out.
Yeah.
Okay. So is this like front and back of the postcard?
Front and back of the postcard right there.
Okay, is this your property? I'm interested in purchasing property at Drive. Would take in any condition. I can close quickly and with cash. If you're interested, please call or text me. Have a great day. Sincerely, Quentin Flores. Yo, this is fire. Okay.
But you also cold call, right?
Yeah, we do.
So you want to try that from the app? See if we can get a good number?
Yeah, sure.
So now your mail is going to be on its way. and you can actually track it. If you pull up the activity notes and messages thing down there, it's going to say you started mailers, and then when it gets delivered, it's going to show up right there. So you'll get a little push notification that says like, get ready to answer your phone. You've got so many mailers that are arriving today.
That is just crazy. How do I go back to make the cold call?
Okay, click into that deal again.
Okay.
And we're going to do an enhanced search.
Use enhanced search.
Yeah.
All right.
And now that's going to see if we can get any phone numbers.
Add addresses.
5 phone numbers. Okay, so scroll down. There's a couple mobile numbers right there. So you could call one of those if you wanted to and see if it's Ted. Ted, right?
Ted, I think that's what his name was. All right, let's do it. If we get connected to this seller, I'm gonna lose my shit, literally. The guy's in Oklahoma?
Looks like he's got an Oklahoma number.
Hello?
Hi, can I speak with a Mr. Ted?
Please?
I'm looking for Ted. I'm gonna double tap that number. Let me find out I really just got connected with that person.
Hello?
Hi, can I speak with a Ted?
What's this regard?
I'm actually driving by this house over here on Club Hill in San Antonio.
Okay, hold on.
Just tell him I already got a contract.
Oh, he says he's already got a contract on it.
Well, if for whatever reason he, you know, like, let's say he wants more money, I'd be willing to possibly, you know, maybe give him a higher offer. I'd love to at least give an offer. Would that be okay?
And what would the offer be?
Well, if you give me about 2 minutes, I just have to drive to my office. I work right down the street. I'd love to give you guys a call back to see if by chance maybe we can bring up a number and I can make you an offer today.
You wanna call me back and then I'll do the phone to him.
Okay, that'd be awesome. Who am I speaking with?
This is his wife.
Okay, my name is Quentin. It's a pleasure to talk with you. Alrighty, I'll talk with you shortly.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye. Did we just get connected to the actual homeowner?
Ted in the background. I picture
Wow.
he's sitting in a recliner eating popcorn while his wife answered the phone.
Did that really just happen?
Yeah,
From your app?
that's right.
Wow. Okay.
I guess
Not
we're
only
going
are we
back to the office now.
Yeah, I have to make an offer to this guy. Not only did we just get the address to this property and send him off a postcard, he may be under contract, but you know what? The deal is in the follow-up, right?
That's
And
right.
what if this guy doesn't even close? If he doesn't close, then guess who's going to be the first person that's going to come up?
You.
So I always make sure that every property that I find, I leave an offer, no matter what. That is amazing. How could I have missed that? So yeah, dude, that application is insane. Now, how many skip traces do I get, and how much is it per skip trace?
Okay, great. Yeah, so a mailer is 99 cents. The instant skip trace is 99 cents. If you guys are doing over 100 per month, you can get that down to 49 cents each.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
So 49 cents each per the skip trace.
Yeah.
That's not that bad at all. And what I like about it is it's so convenient. It's like a skip trace on the fly.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you're like that's one of the things. I remember we were at the office earlier. We were talking about that. I pay for convenience every day. I know that I can easily go get a sandwich from Subway right now. It'd be like $6, right?
Right.
Or I can literally have the sandwich come to me, pay about $10, $15.
That's right.
And I save myself time, and I'm able to get ahead in my schedule because of that.
Yeah.
Wow. Not only did we just send this guy a postcard, we skip traced him at the same time. And I'm just, wow, my mind's blown. You know, it's rare when somebody shows me a software that actually works these days, man. And so I gotta, hats off to that right there. That's insane. So how many people, so you were mentioning a second ago that we can have an actual team on Deal Machine, right?
That's right, yeah.
What's the limit on that?
Yeah, so actually on the basic plan, you get up to 3 deal finders in addition to yourself. So those are gonna be limited access. They're not gonna be able to spend your money, so they can't skip trace. But it's perfect and simple for a mailman or somebody like that. They just tap and add a property.
Okay.
And it goes straight to your account.
So my team's about 15 people large.
Okay, so now we have the enterprise plan that lets you have unlimited deal finders. Okay, and 5 full access team members. So you could have individuals on your team that do have access to skip trace if you want them to. You know, like if it's a cold caller or somebody, like you might want to give them that access because they know how to call.
It's insane, insane.
The unlimited is actually something more people should take advantage of, because that's a lot of drivers.
It is.
You
Now,
know,
also with that $200 plan that you're talking about,
right?
Does that give me a discount on skip tracing or mailing, or is it all the same price?
Yeah. So if you're sending over, it does. It brings the deal credits down to 80 cents. But like I said earlier, if you're sending over 100, we've got this $50 add-on that makes everything 49 cents.
Okay.
You get what
cool.
I'm saying?
Yeah, definitely. That's about what I pay per postcard right now, anyway. So definitely, and not only that, but it's sent straight from my phone. Do I have to worry about going to the post office or anything like that? Do you have a team that does all the mailing?
Oh no, we don't worry about that at all. It's all handled for you. And like I said, you can track it in the app, so you know when it's going to drop.
Okay, we're about to go upstairs. I'm going to make this lady a cash offer, and this is going to be...
Oh shoot.
All right, guys, so at my business here in San Antonio, we make offers over the phone. And I'm gonna show you guys this step-by-step process on how you can make offers over the phone, okay? And it's gonna be this really awesome spreadsheet we're gonna be giving away at our Ground Zero event. So if you want what I'm gonna be using to make this offer over the phone, I hope to see you guys there, okay? So we're just gonna dive straight into it. So I called this person, we're gonna go for it and call them back. And I'm going to ask them a specific set of questions so that we can make them a cash offer and go for it and email everything over to them so they have all of our credentials and credibility and they get the offer that they're wanting for their property, okay? Whether it's high or low, no matter what, we always put an offer in here, okay?
Hello?
Hi, yes ma'am, this is Quentin. I just talked to you a little while ago.
Yeah, hold on. Here's my husband.
Okay.
Hello.
Hey, Mr. Ted, how are you?
Fine.
My name is Quentin. It's a pleasure to meet you. I drove by your property. I see you're over here in Oklahoma, and you have this house here in San Antonio?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I want to make you an offer for your property real fast, very convenient, non-obligation. Just want to be able to send you something so you got it in your back pocket in case these other guys that you're currently in contract with, something happens with them and for whatever reason, you know, they can't close for whatever reason.
Okay.
Rather have something and need it, right, than to need it and not have it. Am I right?
Right. Right.
Okay. So how many bedrooms are currently in your house?
2.
2? Okay.
Yeah.
And how many bathrooms are in your property?
Just 1.
Just 1? Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm looking at here, it says the square footage of the home is about, let's see, 1,100 square feet. Do you know what year it was built?
No, I don't.
Okay. I can actually pull some of that information there for you. Just give me about just 1 second. It looks like it was built in 1959. How long have you owned this property?
Oh, probably about 5 years.
Okay. Did you inherit this home?
Well, it was inherited to another guy, and he turned it over to me.
Gotcha. I understand completely. Okay, so I'm just running some quick numbers on your property and doing some due diligence. So this area is in Inspiration Hill. Okay. So I have a number right now that I can work with. So I'm just going to ask you a couple of questions, okay? And then I need you to make sure that you're, at least to the best of your knowledge, as truthful as possible, that this is what you know is wrong with the property. It doesn't have to be exact, but before closing, I will need to do an inspection. So if you can work with me on that, we can meet you in the middle, we can give you a cash offer, okay? But I'm going to trust that you know what's wrong with your house.
Okay.
Okay. Can you tell me if the roof needs to be done?
No, it shouldn't.
Okay. So no roof repair needed. Is the electricity in the house good? If I were to go and turn the light on, I could live in it if I wanted to?
Well, it's got some work needs to be done inside.
Okay. Does it currently have an HVAC unit that's operational inside of it, like an AC unit?
As far as I know.
Okay.
Like I say, I haven't been down there in a while.
It's all right. To the best of your knowledge, is fine. So with the plumbing, do you know if the plumbing needs to be repaired? More than likely.
Don't think so.
Okay. And then the foundation.
It's fine.
Okay. Now let's see. Do you know if it's a slab foundation or if it's pier and beam?
I think it's just a slab.
Okay, just give me 1 second. All right, guys, so I'm using what's called the ARV spreadsheet. So I calculated the ARV being at 163,000 for the market value of the home, and I already have it put in here that investors are buying at 75% in my market. So that automatically puts my starting number at 122. $122,250. The square footage of the house is right here. And then I asked them the questions about the big ticket items. I'm already calculating for a make ready on the rehab. So if you see right here at the bottom, it'll show you the total cost of repairs, which is $27,336. Let me go over and get back on this guy. Yes, sir. I'm sorry about that. I was just running some numbers real fast. Now, do you mind if I ask you what the other guy's paying for your property?
$70,000.
$70,000?
Yeah.
Okay. With everything that I've calculated, I got some good news for you. If everything does check out to what you're telling me, I can offer you $84,914.67.
Sounds good to me.
Now, unfortunately, Mr. Ted, it looks like you're in contract with somebody else, though. So, I mean, again, it's...
I haven't signed the contract yet.
Okay, 100%?
And she doesn't call me back, so I don't know what's going on with her.
Okay. Well, I can send you a contract. Do you happen to have an email address?
No, I don't.
Okay. So we may have...
Thing back computers don't care to learn.
It's all right. It's all right. Well, you're currently in Oklahoma, correct?
Yes.
I can have one of my agents reach out to you, see if we can get somebody to go over there and get you with all of your paperwork and whatnot signed. Now, because the property's in San Antonio, we may have to do all the closing paperwork here. But I can, I can get a notary to sign all the paperwork for you, and I can give you more details on the process. But it should take us no more than 7 to 14 days to close.
Sounds good to me.
All right, Mr. Ted, I'm gonna have my assistant get in touch with you here in the next, I'll say, bear with me, about an hour or two, and then I'll get right back with you.
Okay, let me give you another phone number to get hold of me.
Okay. Alrighty, Mr. Ted. Again, my name is Quentin Flores. My company is Infinity Cash Offer. I'll be sending you over our proof of funds, all of our credentials, and I'll put you in contact with our title lady, and she'll give you some more details, and she can also vouch for our company, and she'll tell you the amount of houses that we've bought in San Antonio, and you know, just thank you for trusting us, and I look forward to doing business with you.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Ted. I'll talk to you soon.
Bye.
Easy money. Easy money. Oh, man.
Shortest driving for dollars trip ever.
Yeah, dude, tell me about it. How are we going to get it done on the first one like that? So, right there.
That phone call.
It's a gift and a curse in a way, okay? But I haven't made my own offers in a long time. So some of the best companies in this world, they build leaders, okay? So the exact closing tactics that you guys just saw right there and how I was able to calculate my offer. Now, I know that there are probably certain things that are wrong with the property, but luckily he had already accepted an offer at $70,000, right? So that means that I have a 14K spread. With that 14K spread, I can talk that person down, and so as long as I'm above 70, we're gonna be all right. But we gave that guy an offer that he liked, and we're gonna go for it and send over the contract, and that's how you close over the phone. And thank you, David, so much, man, for giving us this lead. This is gonna make our company some odd $10,000, $20,000. So thank you, Deal Machine. Thank you, Deal Machine. Guys, if you like that video, I'm gonna go for it and drop a link in the comment section below. Guys, if you don't know about Deal Machine, I literally just locked up a property right now on camera. That was not in any kind of way acted out, like at all. That was the real deal. And it's very rare when somebody shows me a software that actually works, so I stand by the Deal Machine product, okay? So if you're interested in getting Deal Machine at a discounted price, go for it and drop your comment below, and I'll get you hooked up. Click the link, sign up, and I hope to see you guys in the next video, all right? Y'all have a good one.
I want to check. I want to check.
Hey guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at realestate_monster, where I post exclusive content to help you grow your business.